What's the name of this video?
Greeny and purple.
Greeny and purple, huh? Haven't you already made a greeny and purple video?
Yeah.
This is a new greeny and purple video. Full of new greeny and new purpleness. Greeny, purple, purple, greeny, greeny, purple, purple, greeny, greeny, purple, purple, greeny, greeny, purple, greeny, greeny, purple. Purple-eeny.
I plugged it over here to see how it worked.
Alright.
Okay, now we're gonna do that with two vacuums.
I start to wonder about the electricity bill at this house based on the way the lights dim when you turn on these vacuum cleaners. Yeah. I know it's just going to be dark in here. It's vacuums at night.
That's the dirty dirt sensor. Oops. I think that blew a fuse, buddy. I don't think it's gonna feel good. I don't know what you are, so that will blow a fuse. Right?
Uh-oh. Huh.
That one blew a fuse, bud. Somebody needs to switch. Didn't blow. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you
Okay.
enjoyed the summer.